So today, so today is a week before my graduation and I'm planning to color my hair. This was red kasi and it's so washed out na. And then, ang haba na rin ng like black roots here. So ngayon, pupunta lang kami sa market to buy the hair coloring products. So let's go. Bibili mo na tayong halo-halo?
Bili mo muna ako.
Okay. Halo-halo muna daw guys.
Mais.
Ay, hindi na halo-halo.
Mamaya ang pag-uwi. Chip na.
Back to work. So now we're back home and tingnan niyo yung pawis ko, grabe. Sobrang init ngayon sa labas. But anyway, we got the goods. So I got all of this. It's like a set for 130 pesos. So meron siyang 3 products na included. And the first one is the colorant or yung pinaka-hair color niya. So this one is the honey tea brown shade. The other one is the oxidizer, I think is what you call this one. Not sure. But this one is the 12% solution. And then the third one, itong hair mask. So this one, para siyang shampoo. So yeah, here you go. Let's go color our hair. Now we're in the bathroom and ito yung mga gagamitin natin. So we have this tub para dito natin ilalagay yung mixture, spoon, and then of course our plastic gloves. Medyo masakit to sa ilong, so make sure na well ventilated yung house nyo or whatever. Natin siya talagang sobrang saidin. Okay, so I just changed into something more comfortable and something na pwede na siyang madumihan. Proceed with this one. I'm just gonna mix them all together. So here, we're just gonna apply it like that. So this is how we look right now. Oh my god, we look ridiculous. I'm done putting all of the mixture on my hair. So I think that's 25 minutes and above. But I'm gonna wash it off na kasi ang init. So this is how it looks. I think top lang yung naging brown. I think it's a fail. Kasi, what do you mean? Kita pa rin yung red streaks ko. Like, what the F? Ang utos ng kayo dito kasi kinulayan ko siya. Anyway, so for today, I'm gonna go to the derma to get a facial because my face is like so dry and it's so breaking out. So we're gonna fix that. day 2 of my skin after my facial yesterday. So in fairness, nag-subside naman na talaga siya. Like, almost as if parang scar na lang siyang ganyan. And hindi na siya sobrang inflamed. So today is our back mask. And let's just do a quick fit check. We're required to wear a white top and like a formal pants. So very smart casual look. Yeah, that's our look for today. This is just going to be a very short mask. I think an hour or two lang. And then I'm just gonna go home right after. Yeah, I'll see you there. Tara tayo ng damit! Mga early birds. Wow! Candid! Pero talagang next step forward. Tatlo lang kaming a-attend ng backmask, guys.
Hey guys.
Nasaan ang 11 minus 3? 9? 8?
Ano ba? Kailangan ba na nagkakay o
Kunyari nakikinig ka. Video talaga. Ay, may isa po dahil hindi kayo din sa likod. Ay, di siya nasusunod. Si TJ wala pa rin.
remain those who believe me out of the world, they have kept the word. Now they know that everything behind is yours, everything of yours is mine, and I have been glorified. This podcast that we are celebrating is an opportunity for us to express our gratitude.
Done fasting. Wow! Yay! We're done.
Hi guys, so patapos na po ang backmask. Finally, it's 10 a.m. in the morning.
Sabi 8 lang mag-start, pero hindi siya
9 a.m. kami nag-start. Ito ko nung yung experience namin sa backmask. Lahat kami first time namin kumating ng backmask.
Maganda.
Tapos, ano ba yung experience? Parang siyang normal na magsisimba ka. Yung parang normal lang siya. Ano? Ba't sila na-agad? Di ba wala kong college natin?
Wala, isa lang siya.
Hi guys! Ganda ba ng hair ko guys?
Outro na lang sa guys.
So yun guys, ito yung tayo na pala.
Picture tayo dun. Kay Lord. Eto siya. Marami.
I am the Lord.
Ikaw marami ka. Connection. Walang kasama. Late silang lahat. Love it. Wala, picture tayo ng may ganito. Tsaka ganito.
Suot na natin. Lahat na lang pala. Oh my gosh.
Wala kong mic. Iba naman yun.
Kasi si Sebastian, ano dito? Baka iPhone 17 niya, di ba ang speaker?
Marami yung mic dito.
Dito din kami nag-start before. Meron kasi kaming vlog. Wow, kami. May vlog si Drea before ng first year at nasa canteen kami doon.
Oo nga, tapos ka ba yun?
Yes! Pinanood ko yun. Sa TV. Sa TV ko siya pinanood.
Oh my God, nasa TV na pala ako. Mama, nasa TV.
Wallet meron.
Wala pa si Denise Tubig doon. Hindi pa siya taong Maynila.
Hindi pa siya Denise Tubig, the iconic.
Ayan si Denise Tubig.
Ay, gano'n ko yun yung time na hindi pa siya lumuluwas. Ayaw niya pa tayo makasama.
Hindi pa siya lumuluwas.
Pandemic nun guys, inaano ko ng mga to. Nag-evangelize ako. Yan. Yay! Kinakareer na lang naman. Sa work ba?
Parang mo.
Ganto ka na.
May malapit siya sa may SM.
That's so far. Yun yung laging alam ko malapit na ako. Oo, yun din ang basahan ko. Pag naka-agent symptoms, nakita mo na yun. Okay, ano na. Pwede naman.
We're on our way to SMX. Ang random ng pag-vlog siya.
Number 1, Abigail. Number 2, Lorenzo. Ate, isa pa din. Iwan na rin talaga siya kitang-kita. Sis, ano? Bakit ka nandito, sis? Sobrang ano?
Sobrang FOMO. Currently guys, we are shooting a TikTok video.
Baba naman. Kita daw.
Kita yung ano dyan, Bes. 65. Kitang-kita. Sobrang lower.
Ano yan?
Walang kita mo.
Yung hair. Oh, malaglag. Ate ko may gap. May gap.
Saan si... Wait lang, wait lang. Dito kami lalabas. Dito tayo lalabas, okay?
Tama yung layout ng ibang...
Cute naman.
Cute naman kahit pa paano. Pwede yan, guys.
Anong kulay? Anong kulay? For
May kulay.
online.
Yan, may kulay.
Ilang pieces?
Hey guys, we are with...
Hi, oh my God.
Kita kayo dito. So what can you say guys? Kunyari ako si Kuya. Sa likod
Can you
nila.
say about what?
What can you say about the experience here, there in SMX? The facility, the aircon, and everything nice.
It was
Kilo.
so-so.
Ay, parang si Karil lang siya. Ngiti lang. Bakit?
Ito lang talaga yung team dyan na BYO. Ay, umabsent ko siya sa ano. Sa
Hindi po cat's eye po to, cat's eye.
Natural hair color. Ayan.
Opo, opo.
Ano po siya? 30% Pinoy, 70% rice bean.
Nasa din tayfong tayo, no? Nasa din tayfong tayo, di ba?
Hindi naman din yung talaga.
Hindi, actually, nasa sinapupunan pala ako ng nanay ko, nag-bleach na ako doon. Para paglabas, pakak, o, di ba?
Siya po ba yung nasa meme na sumusunod? Ano mo yun? Sobrang dami. Pati yung dami. Wow! O, yan na. Bawi ko din sa kinuha ko kanina. Kiss her again. Yup. Nagsala-sala sila, yup. Okay, mag-guess the bill tayo. 4-5. 4-2. Ay, alam ko na. 5. Okay, reveal. 5. Dahil dyan, ako Kasi naman.
Ngayon ako naman madali magkakati.
From your right to left.
Karaos Love Andrea Nicole Dumasi. Celeste Crystal Jane, magna cum laude. Consejo Angel Bulaklak. Kakanay Jo.
In reverence to my alma mater, the National University.
Congratulations and God bless you.
What is it? My eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me. Say it all sounds Yay! Hoy, open yung kamukha niya.
Okay, so mag-react tayo. Hi guys, good morning Okay, so mag-react tayo dahil nirequest ni Andrea. Tapos suskinan natin to, guys. Oh, sweet. Tignan, mukhang kamukha ko siya, oh. Customize. Magkano ginastos mo dito, sis? It's like Tagalog. Oh, ang taray yung animation. Congratulations, Danny. I'm so proud of you and everything you've accomplished. Your laugh. Your laugh, your personality, your energy, and of course, your higher ups. Nakablush ako today. Things are just more fun when you're Thank you, Besh. I hope life gives you so many reasons to love loud. Oh, and glow even better. Literal glow kasi oily talaga ako. Oh, congratulations again, Danny. Proud of you, Drea. Oh, thank you, Besh. Guys, Combassadors. Ito yung pinaka-memorable part ng buhay ko. Like, first pageant ko to, guys. Oh, yun lang. Ah, thank you, Drea. Love you.
So, here is a gift from Drea Nicole. Ito yung gift niya. Aww. A miniature of us, of me. Congratulations, Drea. Ayun. I super appreciate this from Drea, and I'm so glad to meet Drea since freshman. We were together, the first ever college grouping, and then in sophomore, we were always like together with Abigail. And then third year, I think doon nagsimula yung to be together with Iconic, in which kumakain kami lagi. And I'm so grateful to have Drea since the beginning. And then now, we graduated together. And thank you so much, Drea, for everything, for appreciating me, for your words. I'm so touched and I'm so happy for this. And I'm very proud of you too for overcoming college. It wasn't an easy journey, but you, every one of us, survived it in our own ways. Thank you so much, Drea, for this wonderful gift. Super meaningful, super cute. Thank you so much, Drea. Mwah!
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or kung anong oras yung ito mapapanood. So this video is my personal reaction sa gift sa amin ni Drea and sa message. So basically, ito yung graduation gift na binigay niya sa amin. Cute! So isi-share ko sa inyo ang kanyang message sa akin. Congratulations, Vic. Even if things didn't go exactly as planned and you won't be graduating with us just yet, I hope you know that you're still worth celebrating. Thank you for being the mom of the group. And yung last slide is this one, picture namin. I think first year ata kami nito. So basically guys, yung mga narinig nyo was true to life story. I'm celebrating with them ng graduation, pero hindi pa po ako gumraduate. Never kong na-feel na mag-isa ako. Since na nag-drop out ako, never nilang feel sa akin na hanggang doon na lang muna ako. Every time, lagi pa rin akong kasama. Every time, lagi pa rin ako nandun. Kaya super happy, super love na love ko talaga itong mga anak ko. Sabi ko sa kanila, hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko i-story yung mga videos and pictures ng graduation. At then Drea said na basahin ko yung message na thank you for always including me pa din sa lahat. Week ng graduation nyo. Sobrang emotional ko kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-take ko. Paano ko i-take na hindi pa ako kasama. Ganun. So yeah, thank you so much. Super love na lang po kayo. I'm always here. No matter what happened. Kahit na iba-iba na yung journey natin after this. Yun lang. I love you.
Hi guys! So, this video is my personal reaction sa message na ginawa ni Drea sa amin. Dahil nung graduation day, may binigay siyang gift. As in, super cute. Ito siya guys, para siyang hero, no? Pero personalized or customized siya na ako, like sarili ko. Congratulations, ano sabi? Mama, paway ko yan. Congratulations. Yan yung letter T. Random kantas. Proud of you, Drea. Oh, hindi ko na binasa guys kasi gusto ko sa akin na lang to, di ba? Pero thank you, te. Sabi niya kasi na isa daw ako sa mga people na super thankful siya na naging close ako. Well, ako rin naman kasi guys, nung freshman year ko, hindi naman talaga kami ganito ni Drea. Like, ibang grupo siya. Ibang grupo din ako. And honestly, nung college, especially nung first year, super nahihirapan talaga ako na makipag-catch up or makipag-friends sa kanila. Buti na lang talaga nag-face-to-face na nung second year. So, thank you. Thank you, Drea, sa gift mo. Super na-appreciate namin. Alam mo, si Drea talaga yung isa sa mga kaibigan na very showy siya sa love. Not just sa personal relationship niya with her family, but also sa friendship. So, ba't ako naging seryoso, te? Feel ko ina-expect ni Drea, super laro lang tong reaction video ko. Pero, thank you te so much. As in, parang thankful din ako na naging friend tayo. And, isa ka rin sa mga, ito na yung message ko rin sa'yo. Isa ka rin talaga sa mga tao na nag-push sa akin, like unconsciously, na i-inspire mo ko na gawin din yung best ko, na mas maging extra din sa lahat ng mga bagay. I know na may mga bagay na hindi nagtugma sa kung paano mo pinlano ang college, pero gusto ko lang malaman mo na isa ka sa mga tao na nagpabago din sa kung paano ako mag-isip, sa kung paano ako mag-work, at sa kung paano ko dinadala yung sarili ko. So thank you very much for everything. Tignan nyo guys, ang dry na nung buhok ko. Alam nyo ba, sinabi ng pinsan ko nung graduation dinner namin na medyo dry na yung buhok mo. Tapos sabi ko, medyo wala akong pakialam sa opinion mo, no? But anyway, super cute. Wala akong Hirono guys. Di ba naging sikat yung Hirono? Wala akong Hirono. Pero super special nito. Very Hirono yung structure niya. Tapos sarili ko pa. Tapos first time ko lang magkaroon ng ganito. So, thank you Drea. As in, super napasaya ako nito.
Reaction video sa message ni Drea. Sobrang cute. Thank you, Drea. Kailangan may background music. Lagay tayo. Oh, pag ako naiyak, Drea. Madami na, Drea. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I didn't expect in college. And, I have no words, pero thank you. Thank you, Drea.
Thank you, Drea.
Hi guys, I lost the gift. I'm just smiling, but I'm not happy, of course, because it's the effort and of course the money that was spent din talaga for the gift, and also the thoughtfulness, of course. There it is. If I'm gonna cry, wait lang. Guys, nag-I love you si Drea. Hindi siya ganun. Like, hindi siya, like, I love you. Hindi siya ganun. So, ang cute ng picture. Ito yung nagbigay tayo ng cake sa akin ng birthday ko. Thank you, Drea. Love you so much.